Hello and welcome back to Sister Cousins. Today I am participating in the Christmas Breakfast Challenge, which is hosted by Grandma Sandy and Cynthia, She So Blessed. Both of these beautiful ladies have home decor channels that are fantastic. So if you are not currently subscribed to their channels, please be sure to check them out, and the links to their channels will be linked in the description box. A special thanks to Grandma Sandy and Cynthia She's So Blessed for hosting this challenge. So what we were to do with this challenge is to make a breakfast with something that you can have for Christmas breakfast. That is something that you can prepare in 20 minutes or less and using 7 ingredients or less. And so, as you can see here, I have maxed that out. I have my chicken. I'm making chicken and waffles, by the way. So I have chicken strips. I have a 21 seasoning salute. I'm using that since I am limited on my ingredients, and that has a number of things in it. So I'm going to use that from Trader Joe's. I have my paprika, which will help my chicken to brown. So that is 3 ingredients. I have my pancake mix, my cooking spray for my waffle iron, syrup, and milk for my waffles. So those are my 7 ingredients, and I'm going to get started right now. I have 20 minutes to get this ready. So I'm going to be air frying the chicken in my Ninja air fryer. And it actually says 22 minutes, 22 to 26 minutes for chicken, but that's for bone-in chicken. I've done this enough times to know, since I'm doing chicken strips, it's probably gonna take somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes, and it will be done all the way through. This thing is very powerful, so that's what I'm gonna be using to make it. So we're starting off with the 21 seasoning salute on the chicken and paprika to help it brown. Whilst that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get this waffle started. And I'm only making one because waffles get cold so quickly. You don't want to make a lot unless you know you're sitting down to eat them right away. So we're going to get that mixed up. Now we're getting this all ready, and this is where my spray comes in from my waffle iron, and get it ready to go. Waffles on. Let's get a check at the chicken. It has 9 minutes left, 9 minutes and 30 seconds left, and you can see that it is starting to crisp. So I'm going to turn it over and let it continue. The waffle is ready, nice and golden. So go ahead and turn that off. Beautiful. All right, so we still have 3 minutes and 47 seconds, and this chicken is just about done. So it definitely is not going to take any additional time. In fact, I'm probably going to take it out at about the 2.5 minute mark. All right, that's my crispy chicken. And this is breakfast. It actually took about 14 minutes to prepare. waffle and some chicken strips. This is my Christmas breakfast. Thanks again to Cynthia, She's So Blessed, and Grandma Sandy for hosting this challenge. And please be sure to check out their challenges, their channels, as well as the playlist for this particular challenge. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel and stop back by again. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.